Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sell car in GTA 5. Alright, let's begin. To sell a car in GTA 5, you first need to open your map and locate a Los Santos customs shop. There are 4 locations available across the map, so choose the one closest to you. Once you have selected a car you want to sell, drive it directly to Los Santos Customs. Different cars have different values depending on their condition and upgrades, so keep that in mind before selling. After you drive into the garage, wait for the menu to load. When the customization menu appears, scroll down through the categories until you find the Sell option. Select Sell, confirm your choice, and the car will be sold instantly for cash. Keep in mind that there are some limits. You cannot sell certain high-value or special vehicles, and you may not be able to sell cars repeatedly within a short time period. If Los Santos Customs does not allow you to sell a car, you can wait or try another location later. This method works for most standard vehicles found in the game. So that's basically how you can sell car in GTA 5. That's it for this video. Thanks!